Now, to make a carriage indicator, you would need a plate similar to this one, and the size of this would depend on your lathe. So this is made out of 1/2 inch thick steel, and I've already cut the groove in it, but it would be mounted somewhat like this, and your vise would be tilted at 45 degrees. So let's have a look at the video of my manufacturing of this V-slot right here. This plate I have used for mounting various other things on. That's why the holes are in it. Underneath I have a couple of V-channels that I put underneath here. This V-channel is used for sliding it back and forth on the ways here, like so. Now that allows me to mount a magnetic indicator on there. Here's a magnetic indicator that I'm using. Made a little block to put it in so it doesn't pick up anything on the two magnets that are underneath. You can see the two round magnets, that's what holds it together. The indicator comes from Harbor Freight. It's got 1 inch travel on it, and it's held by this screw which just goes through the back of the indicator. The indicator just sits on here, like so. And we're going to move the camera now so that we can see a little better how it works. Alright, we're up a little closer now, and you can see that it's sitting on the plate. Now the plate just slides up to the carriage. And you can just do that all the way for the full travel. Now as I turn the handle, we can watch the dial indicator read the position out. Up to 1 inch worth of travel. And then if you have to move it again, it's a simple matter of sliding the whole thing in again, and you get another 1 inch of travel. It's not as nice as a digital readout, but it's really easy to use and doesn't take any time to set up at all. If you'd like to be notified of other new modifications, please click on the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.